Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can easily add your Google Calendar booking link or appointment scheduler inside your email signature in Gmail. In my last video, I showed you how you can easily create a booking appointment page for your business using Google Calendar for free. So if you have not watched that video, you can go check it out. The link is going to be in the description box. All right, so now I'm going to assume that you've already created a booking page and we're going to go to the next step, which of course is to add the booking link inside your email signature. The first step is to open up Gmail. Now, as you can see, I am using my phone to do this, but if you have a laptop, feel free, that is the best way to do it, right? And I'm not using the Gmail app, right? So make sure you're not using the Gmail app. Open up Google Chrome on your phone and you can type it anything. And once you are here, right, make sure you are using the desktop side view. Now, to view this as a desktop site, you need to click on these three dots at the top here. Once you click on that three dots, you're going to see desktop site right down here. Make sure this box is ticked, right? So once you tick it, you'll be able to see everything as if you are looking at it from a laptop. All right, now that we are viewing it as a desktop side view, the next step is to use your finger and pinch until you see this little square at the top right here, right? This is where we can now launch the Google apps. When you click on that, you're going to see all the Google apps right here. So go now and click the Gmail app. Once your email is opened up, as you can see, this is my email. I have got a lot of mails. You're going to pinch outwards again until you're going to see on the right hand side here, you're going to see Google Calendar here. So just click on this Google Calendar icon and then you can just click on this little arrow and it's going to take you to your Google Calendar. Then you can copy the link of your appointment or your booking page. To locate your booking page, you simply need to look on the left, just look down and you're going to see booking pages, right? So you can just choose the booking page that you want. For example, strategy session is the booking page that I want. Click on that and it's going to open up like this. So you can see this is it, right? So you can preview it if you want, but you can just go ahead and copy the link of the booking page. You can see the copy link right here. So just click on that, and once you've copied the link, we can then go back to our Gmail and we go to the next step. All right, now that we're right back inside Gmail and we have our link in hand, so I'm going to just pinch again. Go ahead and pinch until you're going to see the settings icon at the top right here. Click on the settings icon and then click see all settings. All right, so once we're here, so I'm going to just use my finger and drag towards the left so I see everything clearly. And then I'm going to scroll right until you see where it says signature. So this is signature right here. So we're going to go ahead and create a new signature. Now click on create new and then give a name to your signature. I'm going to type in Rissa's Campus Services, something like that. You can give whatever name you want. Again, if you're using a laptop, this process is going to be so much easier, right? But since I'm using a phone, I just want everybody to if you don't have a laptop, it doesn't have to be a problem. You can still use your phone to work. Now once you have your name ready, click create and you can see it has been created. Next, you're going to use your finger and drag towards the left and go now to this box. Now, if you have an image that you want to add in here as your email signature, simply click on that image icon. Now, once you click on that, it's going to take you here. You can simply grab the image from the web using the URL, or if you have it in your device or maybe in your Google Drive, you can just go ahead, click on Google Drive. So as you can see, you can get an image directly from your Google Drive, or you can just click on upload if in case it's in your device. So I'm going to click on upload and then click browse, and it takes you to your device and you can just browse the file from there, grab the file from your phone, and then you can see this is it. All right, now that the image is inserted in here, the next step is to add our link, which is the booking page link. So come down here, you're going to see this link icon. Click on the link icon So you can see there are two boxes here, one with the text option and the other one with the link. Now the text option, you can go ahead and just type in a text which is going to show up as your link. All right, or if you don't want, you can just leave it empty, and then down here you're going to paste the link of your booking page. So I'm going to copy and paste and then just click apply. So there you have it. The link has been inserted into your image. Right now, once you've done that, the next step is to scroll right down. Right, do not forget this step. This is the most important step. Scroll right down and you're going to see where it says save changes. Now click on save changes, and that is it. So you have already added your booking page inside your email signature. All right, let's go ahead and test it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to compose an email. Now to make sure our email signature appears in our email, so we're going to click on this three dots at the bottom right corner here, and you're going to see insert signature. Now click on that and you're going to see manage signature, and from here you can just select the signature you want to appear every time you compose an email. But I have just one signature, so I'm going to click on that. Right, so you can see click to book an appointment will always appear every time you compose an email. All right, so let's just see how that looks like. Let me just send this email to myself and I'm going to open it up. So this is the email and you're going to see this is a link. So if I was a customer, I can just click on that link and it takes me directly to the booking page, and then from here I can go ahead and book a session with Rissa, right? So that is how you can easily add a booking page or a booking appointment link into your Google Calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and also hit that subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to the channel. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. We're going to chat right there. All right, thank you so much for watching once more, and see you in the next video.